A coin is tossed twice. Probability of getting 2 heads? Answer is 1/4. If f x equals 2 to the power of x, find f 3 dot. Answer is 8. Find p 5 3 dot. Answer is 60. If f x equals 5 to the power of x, find f 5 dot. Answer is 3125. If f x equals 4 to the power of x, find f 2 dot. Answer is 16. Find variance of 4 20. Answer is 64.0. If variance equals 36, standard deviation equals? Answer is 6. Find expected value. 4, 0.5, plus 8, 0.5. Answer is 6.0. If p a equals 0.3, p b equals 0.2, what must p c be? Answer is 0.5. If f x equals 2 to the power of x, find f 5 dot. Answer is 32. If f x equals 4x superscript 2 plus 7, find f 5 dot. Answer is 107. If f x equals 4x plus 9, what is f superscript 1 x? Answer is x 9/4. Find c 10 2 dot. Answer is 45. 4 equals? Answer is 24. If f x equals 2x plus 2, what is f superscript 1 x? Answer is x 2/2.